Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 90 to 100 WPM. Ready. Start. Being aggrieved, the appellant as well as United India Insurance Company Limited, the insurer preferred cross appeals before the Rajasthan High Court, Jaipur Bench, Jaipur, stop. The Honorable Court by order dated 6/8/2004 stayed operation of the award, stop. Subsequently, the ad interim order dated 6/8/2004 was modified by the Honorable Court on 6/5/2005. Stop. In terms of the said order of the High Court, the insurer paid from time to time during the financial year 2005-06 to the appellant and her minor daughter interest amounting to rupees 73 lakh in four installments after deducting tax at source amounting to rupees 8 lakh, stop. As advised, the appellant filed return of income along with a note for consideration at the time of assessment, stop. It was categorically stated the assessee has been advised that since payment is ad interim, list is pending and not yet final, therefore interest has not accrued, stop. Further, the interest so awarded is also part of the accident claim compensation and not liable to tax, stop. The assessee under protest and without prejudice her legal claims has deposited the tax on the amount received from the insurer, stop. Further, tax has also been deposited relating to the income from the other sources, stop. Therefore, the tax amount of rupees 24 lakh deposited against the amount received from the insurance company may be refunded, stop. Stanza. The return was processed under section 143 within bracket 1 on 18/6/2007 at the returned income, stop. Notice under section 143 within bracket 2 was issued, served and complied with, stop. Detailed submission dated 11/9/2008 was submitted claiming within bracket small I the impugned interest is not in the nature of income being discretionary and in the alternative within bracket small 2I cannot be taxed during the year under appeal as dispute about the allowability of the compensation, quantum of the compensation, allowing of interest, rate of interest are pending before the Honorable High Court, stop. The amount allowed is only by an ad interim order dated 6/8/2004, stop. It has not accrued and arisen but received as per the order of the court and is subject to the final order, stop. May be reduced and required to be refunded, stop. However, the learned assessing officer by impugned assessment order dated 17/12/2008 held that such interest has accrued, has been received, and therefore is liable to tax under section 4 of the Income Tax Act 1961 during the year under appeal, stop. The order of the Honorable Court dated 6/5/2005 on the basis whereof interest is being deposited by the insurance company in the बैंक अकाउंट्स, स्टॉप. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 90 WPM पे. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस जनरल एंड लीगल.